it's Holly again. So in my last video, or in another video, however you want to look at it, I used vinegar and baking soda on my kitchen sink and it worked pretty well. But I was an advocate for the bleach soft cleanser, the Comet soft cleanser with bleach. So, so now I am going to use the bleach, the Comet bleach, on my stove, and kind of show you my normal day-to-day clean of a stove and what that kind of looks like.
Allison always says that your house ain't nasty. Well, it is after we've cooked all week and nobody decides to clean the stove. So, yes, my house is gross too.
Gracie!
Dirty! Don't forget to get your supplies, y'all. I've started by taking the grates off the stove, and then I take my Comet and I just squirt it all on there, get a little bit of water on my sponge, and then I just kind of scrub at it and let it sit for a second. And while the Comet is sitting on the stove, I scrub at my grates and get them in the sink and rinse them off and just get all the dirt off of them. You know, to be honest, I sure wish cleaning really did go this fast. Sure would be helpful. Now on this part of the stove, I usually have to use some elbow grease to get all the dirt off of it. And when I say dirt, I mean food. After I've scrubbed my life away, I usually take a wet cloth and I just wipe it all down. And then, of course, I dry and I dry and I dry and I buff and I buff and I buff because I'm a little OCD and I like it to shine. After I've used like 10 towels, I'll put my grates on eventually. I use a stainless steel polish last and polish up all my stainless steel. So, after however long you want to spend on your oven, it's clean. Now, like most of us, it's not gonna be perfect. I mean, it's not gonna be pristine and look brand new like it did the day you got it. It just isn't. I saw a couple of spots that I missed, and also I feel like I could have used a like steel wool or even like a Brillo pad to do some more scrubbing on it. All I had was my scrubby. But if you have stainless steel, do not use that because you will tear it up. But I don't have stainless steel. I have a black enamel, whatever this is, so I can use that kind of stuff. Other than that, this stove was a success. Woo! It's clean. Bye. And now I'm going to reverse it. Yeah. Never, you know, and it's a wee mother for her.